How to cure high blood pressure at home. It is one of the most common health issues of this world, and thousands of people have been suffering from this trouble. People take several medicines to control this, but still, they always seem eager to get a proper solution. Wrong eating habits, heredity, any disease, poor lifestyle are major factors responsible for high blood pressure. The blood pressure can be controlled by tablets, but it only makes you a slave of these pills, and regular usage can be harmful to your health. We are going to mention some effective ways to cure high blood pressure at home naturally. These home remedies are quite simple and easy to use. These miraculous remedies will totally transform your life and help to control your blood pressure. Within 7 days you will get amazing results. How to cure high blood pressure at home. So, let's have a closer look at these remedies and read carefully till the end if you seriously want to treat high blood pressure and want to live a healthy and normal life. 1. Bottle Gourd juice an empty stomach. Increased blood pressure can damage your nerves and tissues, that causing a heart attack or sudden heart failure. Bottle Gourd, Loki, juice is a great panacea for treating high blood pressure and for clogged arteries. How to use. You just need to grate or blend fresh gourd in the mixer or grater and squeeze the juice in a thin cotton cloth and drink this immediately on an empty stomach. Make sure that you do not eat for 1 hour after drinking gourd juice and never leave it after squeezing. Try to drink instantly. It's the best home remedy to lower blood pressure instantly. If you do not like gourd juice, then try to start with a minimum quantity, then slowly increase it, and it will open your clogged arteries and also help to control your sugar and cholesterol levels. It will reduce the LDL level as well. It is easily available and very easy to make. Try this drink for sure and see the results within 7 days. 2. Fenugreek Seeds. How to cure high blood pressure at home with fenugreek seeds. It is also known for its numerous benefits, and they are helpful to treat high blood pressure. How to use. You just need to soak 1 tablespoon of fenugreek in half a cup of water overnight. The next morning, drink this water on an empty stomach and eat those seeds. Do not eat anything for half an hour. Repeat the process daily and you will see that your blood pressure is in control now. It is also a good home remedy for blood pressure. 3. Holy basil and neem leaves. Basil leaves, or also known as Tulsi, is a famous plant that cures a number of diseases, and in India, people do worship Tulsi. Controlling high blood pressure is also its countable benefits, so neem leaves are also very helpful for hypertension or high blood pressure. How to use. Take 2 neem leaves and 5 Tulsi leaves and crush well with some water and mix well. Drink this water on an empty stomach in the morning time. Repeat this remedy regularly for 1 week and you will see positive changes in your increased blood pressure. Tulsi and neem include antibacterial and antiseptic properties. Also, they have several components that control your blood circulation and clean blocked arteries. 4. Garlic. Garlic is also a good way to control blood pressure. It is easily available, and its surprising benefits will relieve you from hypertension, bad cholesterol, and other health issues. Simply take 2 to 3 garlic cloves with some warm water in the morning time. Just swallow it on an empty stomach and within 1 week you will surely get the appropriate results. Garlic can bring down blood pressure immediately. 5. Drink lukewarm water. Drinking lukewarm water is beneficial for every person. If you want to manage your high blood pressure, then accept this habit and try to ignore cold water, especially from the refrigerator. Cold water can increase your trouble. On the other side, if you drink lukewarm water, then it will flush out all the harmful toxins from your body. It will cleanse your arteries and help to open clogs. The better way to drink water is to fill lukewarm water into a thermos and take it wherever you go or travel. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. It will also keep you hydrated the whole day. Drinking lukewarm water is also the best home remedy to lower blood pressure. 6. Walking. Physical activity is also important for hypertension patients. If you are lazy and not interested in exercise, then you can choose regular walking for keeping yourself healthy. Try to walk 30 minutes and make sure that do not walk slowly. It must be fast and do it on a regular basis. The early morning walking is not compulsory. You can do it in the evening also, but never avoid this. Walking or moving will lower your increased blood pressure, and it will control your sugar and cholesterol level and cut out the excess fat of your body as well. 7. Less intake of salt. As everybody knows that if you have high blood pressure, then never take much salt or it will kill you one day. Try to take less salty products, and never use canned food or junk food because it can raise trouble. Try to eat healthy and nutritious food like green vegetables, salad, fruits that include vitamin C. You can sprinkle some black pepper and lime juice for enhancing the taste. So as you see that we have described very easy and effective home remedies that can able to control and manage your blood pressure, cholesterol level, and sugar.